Hey everyone, welcome back to AU Matrix. In today's video, I'll show you the simplest and cleanest way to add Logger into a Node.js project. There are so many libraries present to configure Logger in Node.js. We'll use Winston, which is most popular Node.js library for Logger. We'll install Winston, configure it, and understand each and every line. I have already set up a basic Node.js project. Check the description for the link. Let's get started. For first, we'll install Winston library. Sure. Const log format is equal to printf. We'll use info and a callback function will return our log here, and we'll use this format here, info dot timestamp. I'm returning timestamp first. After that, inside an array, you can use this array or you cannot use, but I am using here info dot level. So it will print which type of log it is, info or a debug or a warning or an error. And the next one will be message dollar info dot message. This we will return from here, and we'll create a logger instance now. Const logger is equal to create logger. We'll specify our level is equal to info. This level decide what and all the level we can use. Here we have mentioned info, means we can use info, and after that it will come debug. Not debug, we can't use debug. After info we can use warning and error. So if we used info, we can use info, warning and error. We can't use debug and simply at all. And we'll specify our format here. We are using combine function. Inside combine, we'll colorize our format and we'll add timestamp. And the next is our log format. And next, we'll use transports to store our logs and print our log. This will new transport dot console. So this will helps to print a log. And next one, new transport dot file. We are storing our all the logs. Will be here. We'll mention our file name first. File name as logs slash combined dot log. Here this logs means a folder, and this combined.log will be a file. Inside this file we can see our all logs. And we can also specify errors in another file. We'll use new transport file. File name will be errors.logs, and we have to specify the level in this. Level will be error. Next, we'll export our logger. Module.export is equal to logger, and we'll use this logger now. We have set up everything, and we'll use in our server.js inside a start app function. I will return all of my loggers. Logger.info. This will be info logger. This is our message, and logger dot warning. This will be warning warn logger, and logger dot error will be error logger. So we have imported our logger, and we'll start our application to see it's working correctly or not. So npm run dev, and successfully it is printing, but we are not getting color, and this is also undefined. A level, we'll see why the level is undefined. Printf info dot timestamp info dot, this is level, I missed spelling, and info dot message, and you can see the colors also. For info green, for warning orange, for error red. And we can see here logs folder inside combined logs. These are our logs, and in the error log we can see our error logs. This is it. Thank you guys.